Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. First of all, I would like to wish each one of you a very happy new year. I hope all your dreams come true this year. Let's all work together and spread happiness and joy. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button now and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the future updates. So in today's video, I'll show this basic or very simple crochet design. I'm sure you must be wondering, this design is already posted. Why am I doing this again? Yes guys, this design has been posted earlier, but I had not given any voice. So today's video is going to be with voice. So without any delay, let's get started. I've taken 6 strands of silk thread and I'll be using crochet hook number 10, and we'll face with the right side of the sari facing towards us. We'll fix the knot here in the corner. And then work 2 chains and 1 double crochet right next to the knot. So this becomes our first set, and then work 2 chains again. This time we will start working 2 double crochets, one next to the other. Two chains again and 2 double crochets. So you will continue the same step till the end of the sari. But while working the double crochets, make sure the distance is even between each set. That's the only thing you have to remember. So I've completed the first step and I've chopped the thread off. Now I'm going to join the second color. I've taken 5 strands of blue. So make a knot like this. Now we'll start the second step. We'll start from this first stitch here. Then make 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the chain space. So in this step I will be adding beads. So I'm going to use these small gold beads. So after working 2 double crochet stitches, I will insert 1 bead, make a chain, and then work 2 double crochets in this chain space. So the same thing you will have to continue throughout. So in the first step we have worked 2 chains. In the second step we are replacing 1 chain with 1 bead, and then we are working 1 chain. So this is how simple it is. So I finished the second step and I have made a knot on the other end, and then I have tied crystals like this along with small beads. You can tie them at any distance you want. So now we'll see how to tie those. For that you will need cotton thread. Just cut a small piece of cotton thread, and then we'll first insert a small gold bead. Then join both the ends of the cotton thread. And insert it into a needle. So now we have the gold bead and the thread in the needle. So I am using a 4 mm size crystal here. You can use any size crystal or glass bead. Now this we are going to stitch to this part. So what I have done is I have left 5 beads from where I have tied. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this will be the next point. So just stitch it like this. So pass the needle 2 to 3 times so that the knot is tight. And then trim the thread. So this way you will tie the remaining. So here's the final look of this design. You can make more number of steps if you wish, or just do 2 steps and tie crystals in the end. If you want, you can also tie bunches. You just have to do a little bit of manipulation if you want to do that. So that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more interesting videos. I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye guys.